Welcome to ABR Market Watch. Dive into the world of finance with us every day as we decipher the market's pulse, unveiling insights that matter. Stay one step ahead with our expert analysis and forecasts. Don't forget to subscribe for daily market updates. In the ever-changing global financial landscape, we are seeing a multifaceted set of events unfolding. Tensions between Iran and Israel have sent ripples through major stock indices like the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Russell 2000. The surge in oil prices, with West Texas Intermediate crude futures climbing over 7%, is a significant concern, fueling inflation fears and complicating the Federal Reserve's rate path. Gold prices hover near all-time highs as investors seek safety. Originally, inflation statistics were anticipated to improve, but the recent oil price surge has reignited discussions about supply-side price pressures. The timing of this escalation undermines a risk-on week during which the US and China had reportedly made strides in their trade talks. If this conflict should expand, there's a heightened risk of a sustained increase in oil prices, potentially exacerbating an already slowing global economy. However, some analysts posit that if tensions don't escalate significantly, oil prices could recede. In the meantime, the Federal Reserve is slated to maintain its benchmark rates at their current levels during the upcoming policy meeting, although they are scheduled to release a quarterly update of economic and rate projections, commonly known as the dot plot. Moving on, the Trump administration has taken steps to facilitate self-driving car deployment by automakers, which could benefit companies like Tesla Incorporated and Boeing Co., who recently delivered their first aircraft to a Chinese airline customer since early April, a potential sign of improving relations between Washington and Beijing. Yet, not all sectors have been spared adverse market reactions. Adobe Incorporated has faced investor skepticism due to concerns about its competitive edge against AI-focused startups. Similarly, Amazon.com Inc. and Walmart Incorporated have reportedly discussed issuing their own stablecoins in the US, while Visa Incorporated and MasterCard Incorporated have felt the impact from global retailers setting up their own blockchain-based payment rails. Ford Motor Co., on the other hand, continues to grapple with obtaining rare earth magnet supplies critical for car production, while Boeing Co.'s CEO is once again embroiled in a crisis following a crash involving one of their 787 Dreamliner jets in India. Lastly, currency movements have seen the dollar edging up, the euro and British pound falling, and Bitcoin experiencing a decline as well. The yield on 10-year treasuries advanced, while spot gold prices rose. As we navigate this complex financial landscape, it's crucial to remain vigilant and adaptive.